Welcome to Royal Math Podcast. Today we're going to be looking at manipulating geometric figures. So starting with checkpoint 4 review, question number 3. A storage container is shaped like a rectangular prism. The volume is 2,523 cubic feet. The area of the base of the container is 174 feet squared. What is the height of the container? So right now, the only formula we have that can help us with this is volume equals area of the base times the height. So we're going to do inverse operations to move all the variables to one side and leave only the variables that we want to solve for on the other side. So of course, we're solving for the height, so we want h to be all by itself. So right now, it is being multiplied by the area of the base, so we're going to divide both sides by the area of the base. And what that does is that zeroes out our bases on the right side and leaves us with h equals volume divided by area of the base. So let's go ahead and plug in those numbers and see where it takes us. So h equals, and we know the volume is 2,523, and we know that the area of the base is 174. So we go ahead and divide 2,523 by 174, and we get the height equals 14.5. And of course, it's a distance, so it will simply be feet. So now let's take a look at another problem. Here we have a rectangular prism with a square base is 6.4 meters tall. The prism has a volume of 409.6 cubic meters. What are the dimensions of the base of the prism? So once again, we're going to start off with volume equals area of the base times the height. Now this time we want to get the base all by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by the height, which leaves us with area of the base equals volume divided by height. So let's go ahead and fill in our numbers. We know that the volume is 409.6. And we know that the height is 6.4 meters tall. So when I divide 409.6 by 6.4, I get the area of the base is 64. Now, we know that the area, or that the shape of the base is square, and the way that we get a square area is we do side length times side length. So the opposite of that is the square root. So the square root of 64 is 8. So we know each side of this square base is 8 meters long. Why? Because 8 times 8 equals 64. I hope this helped. Have a good day and see you around like a donut.